I'm gonna show you how to set up and install the Galaxy SmartTag 2. Let's get into it. So here's the box that the Galaxy SmartTag 2 comes in. Once you get the box open, you'll see that it comes with a little pin so that you can eject the battery, and then you get your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. Now here is a closer look at the SmartTag 2. You can see you can put a keychain around this really easily, but if you want, it's still very easy to get it into like a wallet as well. It's not that long and it's also not that thick either. Here it is next to Apple's tag. And you can see not a huge difference in terms of size. It's really just this little circular part. And then here it is next to the old SmartTag from Samsung, the SmartTag 1. And seemingly, I mean, it is taller, but it feels thinner. And actually it feels like it's a better, more premium design overall. Next thing you want to do is just pull out that little tag at the bottom of the SmartTag 2 to activate the battery and put it into pairing mode. Next, what you want to do is download the SmartThings app if you haven't already. If you have, go into it and log in with your Samsung account. Once you're in the app in the top right, hit the plus sign and then tap on Add next to Samsung devices. Scroll towards the bottom and choose Tag/Tracker. Next thing you want to do is at the bottom where it says Add without QR code, tap that. And your Samsung SmartTag 2 should show up at the bottom. Go through the steps of continually adding it and giving it a name, and that's it. That's how you add it. From here, you can begin using the tag and setting it up even more. Tap on it from your main screen, and then from here, you're gonna see that it should show connected. You can click on View Map and see it on a map. Sounds, you can tap it and change it from a low sound to a high sound. I would recommend high sound so that you can hear it if you're looking for the tag and where it is. You can choose different ringtones. I chose this ringtone. Find phone or tablet. If you turn that on and you double press the button on the front here, it's gonna automatically turn and try to find my phone and beep it for me. You have automation with this as well. If you go in there, you can see you can start automations when you press the button if the tag is connected to your phone. So for instance, if I press it, let's just see, it will notify someone, send them a text message for instance. And if I press this button once, it will automatically send a message to someone saying I need help, or you can do a multitude of different things with this. You can also do a held action and do something similar. So if you press and hold the button, it will do some kind of automation action for you. You can check the battery right there if you want, and this will show you, mine says sufficient, so it's somewhere between 10 and 100, 16 and 100% I should say. Low would be 6 to 15 and very low would be 0 to 5. If you tap the three dots in the top right, you can edit this device, remove it, go to help or information. If you click edit, this is where you can change the location, the room I should say if you want. You can change the device's name and then hit save at the bottom. And there you go, that is how to set up and use the Galaxy SmartTag 2. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick one of these up, link down below. I think it's really cool. I actually like it better than last year's, and we'll see you down the road. Peace!